What up, guys? Luke and Olivia here, Moonsoak, bringing you another video. Today, we got something special, kind of. We've done it before, but we're gonna do it again. We're gonna use a random word generator, okay? Get this next part. Generate some words at random, and then right for the next part. We're gonna alright, no, I'm gonna be serious. So we're gonna draw these random things, me and her. We both got different drawing styles. We're gonna draw it. And then we're gonna actually make these drawings into stickers, and you guys are gonna vote and tell us which sticker was better. And here's the twist. Both the stickers are gonna be available on Etsy, link right here, for you guys to buy. Get your own little stickers, you know? It'll be great. Dog, I'm gonna crush you. Alright, so here's the site, Pictionary Generator, and we're gonna generate some words. Alright, so click it. Napkin, computer, corn. That's gotta be a re-click. That's gotta be a re-click.
No cheating.
That's horrible. Napkin, computer, corn?
Well, see.
No, we're redoing that.
No
way.
I like it.
You like that idea?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be for real, guys. I was completely gonna stop the camera and redo this, but she said no. So we're gonna be making napkin, computer, corn stickers. Alright, the drawings are done. Now we're sending them to the Cricut, and Olivia's gonna get those printed out. The finished product. Can you tell whose is whose? Alright, we did it. This is my sticker. Did you guys guess that this was mine? I figured you did. And this was Olivia's. Olivia, you want to explain your drawing?
That's the corn and that's the computer, and he's wearing the napkin like a cape.
Mine's pretty self-explanatory. Computer holding a napkin and a corn. Well, I hope you guys liked it. Both of these designs are going to be available on Olivia's Etsy shop. The link will be in the description below. So we'll see you guys next time, and let us know